Guys, so I thought some of you might be interested in writing jobs, and you guys know me, I'll always show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner or you're already in the game of writing jobs. And writing jobs, just like proofreading and typing jobs, is one of the easiest jobs you can get to work from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested in writing job and you don't know where to get started, make sure to watch this video to the end, because you guys know me, I will show you everything as it is and how to get started. So to get started, you need to equip yourself with writing skill. Now, if you don't know how to write, or you know how to write but you don't know how to structure yourself, you can check out websites like HubSpot Academy. Now they have courses for free that you can take on writing. Example is this particular one that talks about business writing. Now the thing here is you must finish this course for you to be able to receive a certificate, so you might want to check it out. Now if you're not interested in this type of writing that is being taught on this platform, you can go to YouTube and make a simple search on the type of writing you may be interested in. Now there are varieties of writing one can do. There are content writing, there's technical writing, there's US writing, there's SEO writing, and so many things that you can write on. So you choose the one you're interested in, make a simple search on YouTube, and then you're going to see videos that you can watch and learn how to equip yourself with the skill you need. In fact, the skill is more important than the certificate. Now once you have done this, then you're going to check out this website. These are places where you can possibly find writing jobs and start applying. You can work from the comfort of your home whenever and wherever you want to work. In most cases, you can work for clients all over the world. Now apart from places like Upwork and Fiverr, now you can check out this website. This website allows you to build your portfolio on the site, because you need it to be able to apply. Now they are going to give you varieties of jobs. In fact, they host varieties of jobs that you can do, and if you're interested in, all you have to do is just to choose the one you're interested in, make your application, and then if you're accepted, you can write, and then you make your money after your writing has been approved. So the name of the website is Contently. This is what it looks like, and you can see you are allowed to set up your portfolio here. Just click here and start setting up your portfolio, which is quite good. And here are the available gigs, like you can see here. So to know more about these jobs, you can click this one, and then once it opens, you're going to see the detail about this particular job. As you can see, you see your general responsibility, your experience. This one do need people to have like 3 years experience plus. So this website is going to pay you $75 per hour via PayPal, so you have that in mind. So the good thing is you're going to create a free portfolio, which you can even use the link and make application elsewhere, in my own opinion. So you might want to check it out. Now the second one is similar to this one in the sense that it hosts jobs, like it hosts writing jobs on the platform, and you can browse through the platform to look for the one that will be good for you, and then you can make your application. So here is the website. The name of the website is Blogging Pro. As you can see, they are in need of freelance writer, and this one was posted on the 7th of January. That's just 2 days from the time I filmed this video. So as you can see here, you're going to be earning $75 per hour. It is written here on the website, and here are the expectations, your key responsibilities, everything about the role, the compensation you're expected to get from this job once your job is accepted. So you must have to create an account and be logged in before you start making application on this platform. So you might want to check it out. So the next website we're going to talk about is going to pay you weekly, and on this website they will look for client for you, and then you choose the person you want to work with. And another good thing about this website is they pay you via PayPal, but you have to know that they pay 3 cents per word, and before you be able to withdraw your money, you must get up to like $10 on your account on the platform before you be able to withdraw it through PayPal. So that is another thing about this website that you should know about. Now of course they are going to assess you to know how good you are with your grammar and the structure before you be able to be accepted on this platform, just so you know. And that is why the training I mentioned in the beginning of this video is very important for you to like put yourself in order to be able to stand a chance to get these jobs. So here is the website, and as you can see, here is what it entails. And if you want to apply, you just click here where it says apply. You're going to see a form that you're going to fill, and you just fill out this and get started with them. But you have to go through everything that is expected of you to know, the type of jobs and everything, before you get started with this place. So you might want to check it out. The name of the website is Test Royale. Now I know some of you may be thinking, who is probably going to need a writer right now? given the way AI is going about with writing. But the truth is, most of these platforms, they don't really want people to write with AI. In fact, they check for AI and plagiarism, and that is why they really need writers. That is why writing job can never fade away, because AI cannot put a human touch to any write-up. So that is why writers can never fade away. So talking about AI plagiarism, the next website we're going to talk about will tell you they don't want AI, and they also check for plagiarism. Now, this website will pay you via PayPal, but their payment is through reviews. Let me show you an example of what I mean. So here is the website, and this is everything you need to know. As you can see, you get paid to write, and this is the amount you stand to earn based on the reviews you have. So if you have 3-star review, you get 1.1 cents per word. If you get 4-star review, you get 1.6 cents per word, and if you get 5-star review, you get 5.5 cents per word. So these whole things differ. Also, the website has word counts that you can use to calculate how much you can potentially make on the platform. So you might want to check it out. But unfortunately, this website does not really accept writers all over the world. They are only accepting writers in the United States. So if you're in America, you might want to check out this website, and hopefully it works for you. So moving on to the next website. This next website I'm going to mention, and the trick that is involved, will benefit anybody from wherever you are around the world. But before then, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We are grateful to all of you for your support. We really appreciate you. And before I forget, I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section. So if you find it, please let me know the one you will be trying out in the comment section. So the next website we're going to talk about is a popular one, and that is LinkedIn. Everybody knows LinkedIn, but for you to use this method, you have to make sure that your LinkedIn account is optimized to the job role of a writer. What it means is that if you have your LinkedIn profile optimized as a writer, you can be getting notifications about writing jobs whenever they are available. Another thing, you can use the Boolean search method to look for writing jobs. This will allow you to see writing jobs that are made as a post, not as a job post. Now this is quite different. So you can see people that are on LinkedIn that posted about writing jobs. Usually they have available writing jobs this way. And then of course you can look for writing jobs on the job section where you can see jobs, and then you look for writing jobs in your locality. Now if you want to learn more how to search in depth using LinkedIn, and of course how to connect with people that can possibly help you, if you want to check out this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're grateful to all of you for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.